Dear to you office workers fed up with repeated things. Why you have yourself tired? Let your computer do what you do. And you can enjoy a happiness. But first, you should know a way to make your computer do your work automatically. And my answer is coding. You may heard a word coding firstly. But is it important? Coding is just a programming. And I think whatever detail is not important. As long as it make us free of stress at office. We just use it coding. And say yes it is. Today firstly we install Python. Just install and check it is working. This is a whole contents of this clip. So let's follow it. First open a browser like Chrome. And type Python. Then you can find an official Python site. Open it. You can see menu tabs. Go to Downloads tab. And install Python. Then you can see a file is being downloaded. As download is completed, click a file. Then you can see like this window. Select Add Python 3.6 to Path option. And install now. Then install process starts automatically. Install ends. Click Close button. At Windows menu, just type CMD. Then you can see command prompt. Click it. Type Python. Then Python start. But it is hard to code in CMD. So we use other program. Its name is Jupyter. Type exit and parenthesis to escape. Pip is a program that help to manage Python like downloading extensions. Type pip. Then you can see a manual. Skip it because it is too hard to read. Type pip install Jupyter. You can see many programs being downloaded automatically. It is a pip's role. If you know a name, then you can download just by type pip install. Okay, all is complete. But can you see yellow font? It says pip's version is not latest. Okay, let's follow it. Type python-m pip install. --upgrade pip. Okay, download is done. Type Jupyter Notebook. Then a browser pops up. This is a Jupyter Notebook interface. Go to desktop. You can see new button on the right upper side. Click it. Then click Python 3. You can see a typable interface. This is a Jupyter coding interface. Good job. You did follow all process of this clip. Okay, close a browser. And also close a CMD. Today you install Python and Jupyter. That's very good. You go forward one step further. Say I did it. Next time, you can learn how to use Jupyter Notebook. Let's say it's good and I will subscribe. Goodbye, see you later.